AutoCAD's annotative feature is a phenomenal tool. You see, by assigning an annotative scale to an object, that object will automatically size itself to match the scale of a viewport. That being said, if you have objects in your drawing that have multiple annotation scales, they can be confusing to work with, because each time you select them, AutoCAD displays all of the possible sizes. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to hide the display of extra annotative scales. On my screen, I have a drawing of a small subdivision. Let me mention that all of the text items in this drawing are annotative, and they support multiple scales. I'm going to zoom in on one of the street names, and if I hover over this, notice that AutoCAD is showing me two annotative icons. This means this object supports multiple scale sizes. If I select this text, AutoCAD shows me all the sizes. And just for a second, I'm going to come over to the Quick Properties tool, and under Annotative Scale, I'm going to click, and then I'll click this ellipsis button. And we can see right here that this text is designed to display in a 10 scale, 30 scale, and 50 scale viewport. If we look closely over here, we can see the three text sizes. Let's close this. Now sometimes, having all of the sizes displaying on screen can make it hard to work on the file. I'm going to press Escape to deselect this. To hide the extra scales, you can use a system variable called Selection Anno Display. And rather than typing all that out, I'm just going to type SEL, and then I'll press my Tab key a couple times to jump to the variable. Press Enter, and then I'm going to change this value. Currently it's set to 1. 1 means on. I'm going to change this to 0 to turn it off. And after I make the change, if I select an annotative object in my drawing, AutoCAD only displays the current annotative scale size. So if you're someone who uses annotative objects that are meant to display at multiple scales, try using the Selection Anno Display variable to hide the extra sizes. Making this change just might make it a little easier to work in your drawings.